And looking forward then, it sounds like you're still going to be around here next season and hopefully getting Aberd back to the top tier.
I'm hopeful that I'm going to be here. I'm not going to say 100% that I'm definitely in, because like I said to the board last week, you know, if I can't attract the players to come here and play in the Cymru South, then I'm not the right man for the job. We need someone here that, you know, has got their connections, who can bring players in. So what I'm hoping is that we can get the 5 or 6 to stay, and then try and add a few more quickly, and then get a local and try and go from that. But if I can't do that, then I'm not the right man for this job.
Tymor anodd i fi'n bersonol ag i'r clwb, I fi efo anafiadau fel ti'n dweud, neis I orffen efo gol.
We could dissect the whole season and say we had injuries at the wrong time, we didn't play well at the right time, we conceded too early, but I think all the teams throughout the season would say that they've got moments like that, but it just came to that we actually weren't quite good enough, you know, and it's a sad time for me, it's a sad time for the club, it's a sad time for all the players, and they're feeling it in there today now, because it's like the end of the season's here, there's no more games, we're out of the Welsh Prem, and some of them boys may not get back into the Welsh Prem again. So it's a sad day all round, it is.
For most people, the season's finished now. You know, our players along with TNS, we've got an extra 2 weeks, which is brilliant. You know, it's creates the work that they've done. You know, creates the results we've had in the Welsh Cup, and you know, looking forward to what will be a really good game and a big 2 weeks ahead.
Geographically, we struggle so much, and that's the truth behind it all. Like, you know, players, you know, getting offered decent money where they are, and then we'd have to pay them, you know, £100, £200 more to come, and even still, they're not keen on it. Like, you know, so. You know, it was difficult for me, it was difficult for Taft to attract players and things. So, but looking forward, you know, I think we've been told now more than likely we'll be going south. So that's where we're planning for. We're trying to keep as much as we can of that squad, which is very small, unfortunately, and then see what we can bring in. And obviously we're going to have to look locally as well, like, you know, and see if they want to come on a journey with us, you know. And it's not going to be a 1 season; it's going to be like a 2-season plan, like, you know. So. That's for us, you know, to try and build upon, but it's going to be a very difficult build, I believe.